Good morning, everybody. It is time to fix this botched paint job. We're gonna smooth it out. We got some new paint from Napa, and this seems to be like a good way to go. We got a whole gallon industrial coatings, gloss white. Whole gallon. It was like less than 60 bucks. So that's a killer deal. Okay, so we gotta sand. We gotta take some stuff off, like we're gonna take these windows back out. We gotta do some taping. See, I've already started the masking process here. We got the window or the mirrors masked. We got that started. We need to get something over here. So today is Tuesday. We're gonna go out and play in the dunes this weekend. So we've got Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and then Friday we're probably gonna be stickering this thing and leave Friday evening. I'll give you guys a little sneak peek of the sticker pack. I haven't even really looked at this stuff, so let's see. Oh, look at that. I got our swooshes. Oh, I see something good though. I see Toyota stuff. Look at that. Yep, this is what's coming. So we got to get a good paint job going. Oh yeah, we got it all. So we got to get at least a nice smooth paint job on here before we can start sticking these stickers down. Good morning, everybody. We've got MR2 all sanded down, all taped up. We got some primer on it. It's not the best, but I kind of wanted to get it at least in one similar color because it was a lot of, you know, this color Bondo here, that color Bondo there, bare metal in some spots, you know, blue paint under the white. Some white paint from the previous paint job, so we got it in one kind of some similar color, you know, and that should help with the coverage. The wing looks pretty good. That's the other difference, is we got some things off the car instead of painting everything on the car at once. I got some paper towels in my hood scoop, or my roof scoop there. We got, you know, a blanket or a sheet in this guy down here, and then, you know, we got plastic on the tires. So I've been stirring this cheapo single stage paint for a few minutes now and mixing in some reducer, and it's looking pretty good. So I think we're gonna go ahead and get a coat on this thing. All right, some of this is some stuff you've already seen, like we're gonna put these little hood protector things back on where the hood pins go on all 3 sets of hood pins. Yes, 1, 2, 1 on the front. This is number 2, number 3 on the trunk. We got all those put back on, put the windows back in. I don't know if we're gonna have time to actually put the driver's and passenger window in, but we're definitely gonna get those little side windows back in, trim piece, the trunk, and then, you know, the hood, obviously, or the engine cover, and then we'll see where we get from there. Then we'll decide what we're gonna do next. All right, well, that didn't take as long as I thought it would, so check it out. Let's turn this fan off. God, this thing looks good. Tail lights in. We're still missing this piece right here. I haven't really tried that hard to get it yet. We'll get it in the future. We'll get it painted. We'll get it installed. We got our Toyota badge back on here. Got all our hood pin washer thingies. I got our Toyota badge on the front. So yeah, this thing, I think that's everything. I'm not, like, I'm feeling a little, I feel like there's something else. There is something else. Yeah, that's what it is. We're going to the dunes, so we need to have a flag. So I think, I'm trying to figure which, I think I'm going to put it just right here. If I drill that right there, right basically in the corner there, that will be perfect right there. Now, it's probably going to rub the paint a little bit right there, but I don't really care. So the other option, I could just put it right in the top of one of the fenders. No. Or I could put it on this engine lid cover, but that thing is flimsy. So this is just pretty much perfect. So I think we're just going to do that. All right, here we go. It's a little after 8 o'clock, the night before we're going to play in the dunes. The car is painted. It's pretty dry. All the panels are back on. Everything's ready. So let's go ahead and take a look at our sticker pack. Can't promise we're going to get all this done tonight, but let's see what we can do. Big swoops, big swooshes. Woo! Look at that. We got swooshes. Oh, there's numbers. Whoa, geez. We got sponsor stickers. We've got, oh, I think that's the number. It's like a number sticker. Man, we got a lot of stickers, okay? Castrol stickers. Kind of want to do, there's the green. So I gotta set you guys up. There's a lot to go through here. Down. There's my Bridgestone sticker. All right, this thing is stickered up. Seriously, look at this thing. Look at that. Stickered up. Man, look at this. I am so stoked about this. Look at that. Stickered up. Frankenstein. Alright. Wow! I am in love with this thing. Look at the top there, too. I left this open. I want to get something, DJ's Hot Rod. Some sort of vinyl. I need to put some of my stuff on here, too. But, you know, I got my little nod there, but I got to get something bigger. But, yeah, it is super late. What time is it? Oh, it's only 12:30. I thought it was more like 1. It's about 12:30. I'm gonna be leaving at about 7:30, so I think I'm pretty much done. The one thing I forgot that I started to do earlier is we gotta put this flag, we gotta make this flag mount. So I gotta get a drill a hole in that thing, get this thing mounted, or at least make sure that it mounts. Fiberglass. Make sure that it mounts in there, and then I think we can call it a night after that. Oh my goodness, there it is. This thing has a flag on it. It's ready for the dunes. We gotta get our OHV pass tomorrow. But look at this thing. It is sick. Wow. Okay. Alright. Super late. I gotta get some sleep. Thank you guys for watching. I'm super excited. Wait till this video comes out. We're going to the dunes. It's gonna be a blast. We'll catch you on the next one.